Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Hard Coded. So in this video we're gonna learn about 27 JavaScript string methods. Okay, so let's start. So I'm creating one variable that test val. In that variable one string is there, hello I am from the Hard Coded, and also I'm adding some more string like I am a professional software developer. So this is the string. So we're gonna apply all those methods in this string. So first let's start, like calculate the strength, calculate the length of this string. Like so console.log. So this is the string dot length. So this method actually return the length of that string. So length of that string. So that length of that string is 71. Okay. Next one. That index of, like we can find that index number, like position of one string, or you can say of one sub character, anything. So for that we're going to use index of method. So console.log. So that is index of, or you can say in position. So test val, that is that variable name dot index of. So you need to pass the parameter, like what substring you gonna, means what the index, like what substring you wanna find. Okay, or what index you wanna find of that substring. So that substring should be like, I'm finding like heart. So you can see that position is 20. So if you count from H, so that heart is starting from 20 number of index. Okay, 20 number index. Next is that last index. That last index means you can see where there are two am is there. Like this is the am substring. Second one is this one. So I'm gonna check that second or last, not second. Actually, I'm gonna check that last index of the am. If you want to use, yeah, or if you use index of, then it will return that first occurrence. Or if you want, but if you are using that last index of, then it will return only the index, means last matched occurrence of that index. So like nothing, I'm here just writing last index of, that method should be last index of. So here I'm passing m. So you can see like m is starting from 35. Like if it will return this m, then it will start from like 0 1 2 3 4, like 5 6 7 8 8 7 or 8 something, but it returns 35. That means it gives the correct result only. Next one is search. If you want to search any substring, like search is like index of, you can say. So like now the test val dot search, then you need to pass that substring, like for my case coder. So it will return 26. Next is slice. Slice from positive side. So what is the positive side? If you count from that left hand side, like from there, So it will be the positive side. But if you count from that right hand side, means opposite direction, then it should be like negative side. So for positive side, slice means, what is a slice? Slice means, if like in the real world also, that slide means that you just cut one piece from that bigger piece, like one item you have and you just cut some piece from that. So that piece called is slice. So that is from also, like if you want to cut some substring from that long string, that should be slice. So if that positive, then like slice from positive, that means this is the starting value and this is the end value. So from 16 to 31, it will the cut that piece and it will return the substring, that result. You can see the hard coded. Okay. But what is the negative side? So negative is means, if you count from the minus, then it will be negative, like minus 18 to minus 9. So minus 18 to minus 9. Like it will be written kind of, I am a professional, like that. So let's see. Oh, sorry, software. So this is the return. So this is count from the negative side, means from the right. Like this is the 18 position. So minus 18 means it is count from the right hand side. And minus 9, again it is count from the right hand side. So 9 is up to where and 18 is here. So it will cut this piece. Next is substring. Substring also same like slice. Same thing. There are no difference like that. So this is the substring. It will also cut the piece, means it just cut substring from the long string. So that logic and that goal the same. Next is substring, but if substring, and str just like this is the substring. So, but this is also substring, this is also substring, but there are some differences there. The difference means, the difference is second parameter is the length of the expected part. What part you will get and what piece you will get, that part. So this second value means second parameter, like 37 here. So this is the second part, means sorry, this is the length of that piece. The second parameter is the length of that expected part, or you can say expected piece or something, expected slice you can say. Okay, so like run. So up to this length is the 37 and it is start from the 16 index. Next is replace. Replace nothing, it first check that matched element and second that replace value. So it is the condition, like you can say that query, like when that value is getting from that string, it will replace with that value. Okay, like from our case, that string is hello, I am from the hard coder, I am a professional software developer, but I am changing the developer to engineer, so it will return I am a professional software engineer. So you can see here it will return software engineer. Next is uppercase. Uppercase means if you want to convert this string to uppercase, so that uppercase you can see this is the uppercase. Then lowercase, if you want to convert to the lowercase, so it will convert to the lowercase. You can see every character is now in lowercase. Next is concat. So for concat, I need to create another variable, like here I am creating another variable test value 2. Please subscribe. This is another substring or another string you can say. So now another method is concat. So concatenate these two. This method will concatenate these two string. So how to use that? Like concat. So test val means this first string dot concat with, this is the separator, like I'm using full stop here, like here there are no full stop, and then that test value. So this test value is concatenate with this string and this string also. So you can see like full stop and then space. And this is another string. Like please subscribe. So from my end also, if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe. I will come with more projects and more interesting videos and more knowledge, what I have and what I will gain. Okay, so next is caret. Caret will return that character of that position. Like in that ninth position, what character is there, it will return only that. Like from this case, I think M will be the output. So you can see M will be the output. Next is char code at. So char code is actually what character I will get from there. So it will return that ASCII value. So 9M. So M ASCII value of M is 72. So it will return the 72. Oh, sorry, 109. Sorry, that my mistake. 109. Next is how to convert a string to array. So I'm creating another variable like array string, and here this is the one string. You can see that quotation is there, like it is present in that single inverted comma. So this is a string. So now I'm converting this string to the array. So for that split method I gonna use. So how to use that? So this is the variable name, that array string. You can see now split, and this is a separator value like comma here. So this is the array element 1, 2, 3, like that way it will work. You can see output like this is the array, and this is the first element, this is second, third. So it will create the array, but you need to pass that separator also. So for my case, separator is comma. Next is ends with. So now I need to check like this string is ends with any substring or not. If you want to check, so like if this string is ends with developer, this substring, yes. So if yes, then it will return true. If not, then it will return false. So for my case, it will return true. So you can see true. So this is the ends with, and another is start with. That is also available. Like this string is also is start from hello. Yes, it is start from hello. So it will return true. Okay, so it is not written true. Oh, sorry. This is starts with. Now let's see. So it's true. Another method is includes. Includes means you need to check any substring is present in this string or not. So for that, like I'm checking that heart substring is there or not. Like heart is there, so it will return true, obviously. So heart is includes. Yes, heart is includes, so it is returns true. Okay. So now the last one, not last one. Now another method is match. So I need to check there in that string, this is matched with I or something. This is the regex actually. So let's see what is the return. So yes, I is present, that index is 48, that input is hello I am, this is the input. So it will not convert the group. So that's why that returns group is undefined. Next is all matches. This is a single match, this is all matches. So I'm just separating this. And now how to use that? So like I'm using spread operator, like I'm creating one variable const matches, and where I'm using separator variable. Okay, spread variables. So spread operator, sorry, I'm using spread operator, and here this is a string, and I'm checking dot match all. If that match with this regex, if yes, then console log this. So console dot log the all matches. Okay, so let's start. It will return one array, I think it's for sure. So you can see this is the age, I, T, all those things what is present. So this is return the whole array. So this is another method. And now let's go to repeat. Repeat is the another method. So it will return, which is just repeating the string. So how many times you need to repeat? Just pass that value only. Like for my case, I'm repeat 2 times, so I'm passing 2. So you can see this is the repeat is this one. Hello, I'm sorry. Hello, I am from the Hard Coder. I'm a professional software developer. Again, that hello, I'm. So this is repeated 2 times. Now I'm creating another variable like let test val3, and where I'm just writing like I'm giving 4 spaces like hello world, and then again 4 spaces. Now we're gonna use what we're gonna use the trim method. So in that trim, 3 methods are there. That trim start, trim end, and trim. So that what is the trim start? Trim start actually just trim the white spaces from the start. Only this thing. So let's start the result. You can see, so there are no white spaces at the beginning. Next is trim end. So you can see there are some white spaces at there, but at the end there are no white spaces, but here at the end there are some white spaces. And the last one is the trim. So it will trim the from the start also, from the end also. So there are no white space at the beginning also and at the end also. So thank you all. Please subscribe. And if you like, then please hit the like button. And if you want to share anything with me, and if you have if you have any suggestion regarding those videos, or if you want any type of videos, then please comment below. I will try to make those videos for you. I'll try to make this tutorial also only for you. And in the next videos, I will come with more projects, more advanced project also. I'm also coming with some MARN projects, some Next.js. I'm also working. I also will. I'm sorry, not. I'm also not working right now, but I will work on the Next.js also. I will come latest new technologies videos also. Okay. Thank you, everyone.